Coming to the conditional operator. Okay, what is conditional operator? By the name only you are easily able to understand over here that some condition is being given in this operator. Okay, condition in the sense, yesterday I told you about the condition. We have so many conditions that we do our work, our daily task, yes or no? Similarly, here in the operators also, you have something called as conditional operator. In the upcoming topics, you will be learning about the conditional statements of C programming. Okay, every time whenever a condition is there, you use a English phrase called as if. Like for example, suppose you think that today if it is raining, I will not be going to college. So this is your condition. If it is going to rain today, then I will not go to the college. So this is your what condition? ये आपकी condition है. तो आप देख रहे हो कि in my sentence I'm making use of if statement. So you need to make it clear that whenever, wherever you're using the conditions, specifically we will be using the if statement, if block. So likewise, those statements you will be coming to learn in the upcoming topics. So before that, let us try to understand about conditional operator. So what is a conditional operator in C language? दे आर नोन बाय टू और मोर नेम्स. ये दोनों नाम से आप जानते हो कंडीशनल ऑपरेटर को. एक नाम दिया गया क्या? टर्नरी ऑपरेटर. वन नेम गिवन फॉर दिस कंडीशनल ऑपरेटर इज ternary operator. The other name is question mark and colon. Very very important question, exam point of view, viva point of view. Okay, so you need to remember a single statement to specify the condition. And what is the syntax for it? Expression 1, we use the question mark. Expression 2, we use the colon. And finally the expression 3. अब आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा होगा कि what is this expression 1, 2 and 3. So let me make it clear. जो भी आपका condition होता है, okay, like I told you that if today it is raining, that is what my condition. Okay, if today it is going to rain, I'm not going to college. That is my result I'm saying. Okay, true statement कहाँ पे आएगा मेरा? expression 2. expression 1 में क्या आएगा मेरा? condition. If it is going to rain today, question mark, I am not going to college, else I am going to college. कोलन के बाद में फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट, कोलन से पहले ट्रू स्टेटमेंट, क्वेश्चन मार्क से पहले आपका कंडीशन. समझ में आया? वॉट एवर आई हैव टोल्ड यू ओरली, that is given here in the written part. Whenever you are free, just go through this and read it carefully. You will understand much more clearly. Let us go back to the execution part and write a program. Now coming to the programming part, you see here again I'm using the linking section first. Comments part I want to skip it as you are very much more familiar with it, so I need not use it now. Now coming to the, just a minute. Okay, hash include conio.h, like our favorite two header files every C program will be used. Okay, now coming to the int main section. This is also the main part of the program without which our program doesn't work at all. This is the block of the main. Finally, at the closing, we must be writing this return 0 for sure. Why it is needed? I have already explained you this. Now coming to the conditional operator, ternary operator. So what do we see here? First, let me write here the printf statement to make it familiar that today we are going to learn about the that is to display in my printfs in the output screen as conditional operator, or the other name given to this one is ternary operator. So these two names have been given to it. Fine. Now Once I did this, what I will be using? My conditional operator. Remember that expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, expression 3. Same thing we are going to write now. But before that, I will write my variables. A is equal to some value I will take. B is equal to some value I will take. These are my two variables I have taken. Now, our expression 1. If A greater than B, this is my condition. अगर A B से बड़ा होगा तो क्या प्रिंट करना पड़ेगा आपको? आपको अपने प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट, दिस इज अवर एक्सप्रेशन 2 नाउ, कोलन के बाद सॉरी पहले क्वेश्चन मार्क आना है ना, सो आफ्टर क्वेश्चन दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन मार्क, immediately after the question mark you will be writing the expression 2. What will be the expression 2 considering of? It is going to be considering of the true statement. So what you will write here? A is greatest, right? If this is not the case, what will be the greatest value? B will be the greatest value. Printf B is greatest. Just a minute. So finally end up that line with a semicolon. That's it for your ternary statement. कितना simplified statement है ना? Single line में अगर कोई condition statement लिख सकते हैं तो that is only one way, either by using the conditional operator or the other name given to it as ternary operator. Very very important question, exam point of view, I'm telling again and again. Okay, people will confuse you by asking this question, but it is very very simple if you remember and understand the concept clearly. Okay, hope it is clear. So let me go for the execution part. So here we are writing the ternary operator. So let me give the name as ternary dot c. Now once I save the program, next is, 1 second, it is giving me some error here. Expected expression before token, where is it? I gave it in question mark. Expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. Still, sorry, 1 second. This if will not be used. Okay, that is the problem. It has given an error. Okay, fine. What now? Acha, here semicolon. Yes, got it. So remember, ये टर्नरी ऑपरेटर में ही हम वो इफ बोल कर नहीं लिखेंगे, बाकी के सब जगह जो भी कंडीशंस होंगे सब जगह हम लिखेंगे आने वाले जो कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट्स है वहां पे तो कंपलसरी फॉर श्योर आपको लिखना है, सिंस इट इज एन ऑपरेटर इट इज प्योरली गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन question mark and colon. Okay, so to make you very very clear again, let me specify here in my comment section, let me comment it as दिस इज माई एक्सप्रेशन 1. ये फर्स्ट वाला क्या है आपका? ये एक्सप्रेशन 1 है, बाद में आपको कोलन आएगा, ये आपका एक्सप्रेशन 2 है, you will again get the colon there, and finally you will get an expression 3. This how your ternary operator works. Okay, now let me execute it. So you're seeing there as the output is given as B is greatest. Why? Because value of A is 10 and B is 20. That's why the result is giving me B is greatest. If at all I change the numbers now, if I'll change the value of A to 100, okay, and B remains 20 as it is, just see the changes, see the execution now. So now you're able to see the output as A is greatest. Yes or no?